Hello guys, welcome back once again. My name is Gwenes, the founder of Irida the Guitars and Irida Hosts. Today we are going to look at we are going to continue with our tutorial. That's our series, that is school management system. Okay, now before we continue with that, let me this is our Irida Host. This is our web hosting platform. We have the cheapest, in fact very secure web hosting server for you, and let me show you some of the packages that we have here. When you come here, we have the share hosting. The share hosting starts with the list price is 100 Ghana cedis. So let me show you around. We have startup, which is 100 Ghana cedis for the whole year, professional 150, business 200, premium 400. Okay, now in fact SS certificate is free forever. Okay, it's not like other company whereby they will give you free SS certificate for 1 year, and after a year you have to pay SS certificate in addition to the hosting. Okay, this is different. The SS certificate is free forever, and then you'll be able to create that is domain-based email account or professional email account, like for instance irida.info@irida.com, admin@irida.com, something of that sort. Okay, now we have the 151. You can host 2 websites, that is, but unlimited. You can add 2 domain, but unlimited 10 subdomain. With a 200 Ghana one, you can host 3 domain, but subdomain is 10. And then the premium one is unlimited domain and unlimited and 20 subdomain, which means that if you go for the 400 one, you'll be able to add more websites. Okay, now let me show you the hosting plus. To me, the hosting plus is the best so far. With 150 cedis, you get a domain plus a hosting. Okay, and this one you get with the starter plus, you get .xyz, and then with pro plus you get .com or .org. Okay, so which means that in the course of buying the hosting, if you search for a domain name with extension .com or .org, you get it for free, and then the same thing applied to all of them. Okay, good. Now let's move on. Let me leave here. I'm not here to talk about the hosting. Please subscribe to this channel, like, comment. You can even share so that others can also benefit from this course. So we are going to continue with the tutorials. Okay, so far so good. Let me go to the dashboard. We are now going to look at how to add the teachers. You see, we have done so many things. Okay, in our last video I told you to continue editing the rest of the page. If along the way you can do that, reach out to me, but I will charge you for that. Okay, yes, because I've done some for you, so you have to complete the rest. Okay, yeah, because if you have to do it one after the other, this tutorial will take too long, and I want to complete it as soon as possible. Okay, so now in the course of the tutorial, we created a page. Okay, and that page is staff registration page. So I'm going to talk about how you can add your teachers to the platform. Let's say you're almost done with the website, you want to add the teachers. How can you do that? We have staff registration page. Let me locate that. So with the staff registration page, let me click open, view the page in a private window. Okay, so good. So this link, don't make it public. Okay, it should be that is private, so that you only give this link to your teachers to use it to log in. Because if you make it public, people will be creating accounts as a teacher. Okay, so this page is supposed to be public. So here they will add their names, select the agenda, continue. But the one thing that I want to draw attention, don't let them fill that part. If they do, they won't be able to continue with the registration. Here, that is a selection of class and session, you see. So they should not select any of them. For the class and session, they should leave it and fill the rest of the but the most important part is the one with the asterisk. Okay, that is it. But they can also do the rest, but for class, selection of class and session, they should leave it. Okay, after they have created an account, you administrator have to locate them, or you have to just give them a class. So for now, I'm going to create a temporary an account as a teacher. So let me use okay, so first I'll enter Darius. Okay, so let me maintain that's Darius Amwakun. Darius Amwakun is a male. I can go with the date of birth, but I will leave it since it's not important. Address to the telephone number. Let me put something there. Good. And the email, this is his email account. I'll copy that and let us continue. Joining date, if you can go ahead and select it if you want, but it's not important. A destination, that is the class, just put something there. It's not that important. Notes, salary is too personal. The class, as for the two of them, don't select. And then we have username, which is very, very important. So I will enter fanboy. Yes, because my boy is very fan guy. Okay, very nice one. I know in future the ladies will be fighting over him. So I will paste the email account here, and then the password. I will enter my password here. So let me clean it. Okay, so I've done that. So I will just come here and click submit, and we'll see this green indication so that it is successful. Okay, good. So right now, if I'm trying to, I don't know, I think login will work for me, but let's see. I will log in as a teacher. Okay, so I will enter fanboy. Good. And then, oh, sorry, fanboy here, and the password. Okay, so let me click that. Oh, but I have to change this to fanboy. Good, good, and click login. Okay, so you see I have login as a teacher, and as you can see, I don't have a lot of data here. Even I don't have a class. There is no class because the administrator have to give me a class before I'll be able to have access to class. You see, the data here is very short. Okay, so what I will do is let me minimize this, and now since I've created an account as a teacher, now let me first go to dashboard. I'm going to let me go to administrators and go to staff list. So in here I have to okay, so this the Darius, that's the fanboy, the one who just created an account. I can just click here and go to the pencil icon, click on that, so that I'm now going to assign him to a certain class. Okay, so that is his role is what he's a teacher. I'll select that, and then let me see. Okay, so in the class I have to click here and select GHS I don't know if GHS 7B, and the session is A, so he's a GHS 7B class teacher. As you can see, all his role has been selected already. So I will just go down here and then click update the staff, and now let me open it as a teacher again. Oh, where I have this here, let me close this. Okay, so let me open here. So let me refresh the page. You see that the future here, you see now we have additional settings. and that is good. Okay, so far so good. And now we have a teacher now, so we are now going to look at for now, thank you for watching. Bye bye.